Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 71. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. We look at this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 7, 5, and 7 here. So this is our 6, 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 3 means this is our 6, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 5. That 2 means this is our 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 5 here, so 2, 4. And that means our 5 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. No help here. 2, 3, 7, 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 3, 8. 2 here, so 3, 7, 8. 3 and 7 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 3, 4, and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 3, 4. 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 3 and 5. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7. So that means the only place our 9 can be for that column is there. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so that makes this our 8. That 4 means this is our 1, 4. That 8 makes this our 2, 3, 7, 8. And that 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this box now, we're only missing a 2, For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this row now, we're only missing a 3. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this row now, we're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.